These are my top 2 unusual 3D print models that I've found this year. And of course, lots of 3D print stuff ends up being fish and whales and stuff like that. Not usually rhinos and caterpillars, but I think these are absolutely exceptional. Links to the original designers for these files can be found in the description below, and they are all free. They're also fully articulated, also different versions, so you can have ones that print off in just one piece, or ones that print off with their horns and stuff separate and eyes and all that, and then you go ahead and assemble. The only recommendation I would say about printing these off is the inserted pieces. I would reduce them down to 99% print because they are a little bit too close in tolerance, I would say, overall. But as you can see, they go together really well. I would love these to be little kids' toys. Now, I'm not going to actually give them to a baby or a kid because I think there's too much chance that something would break, but they look really freaking cool. And if I could trust them to not break or fall apart at some point, they would be amazing. But I think there's too many small pieces here that potentially could cause issue. However, for cuteness, they just look brilliant and a really nice thing to just have sitting somewhere, and a bit of a fidget toy as well. The rhino is the more complicated one, of course, with the separate horns, whereas the caterpillar does not have any horns, but I do not feel bad about that because it looks so goddamn cute either way. So yeah, these are 2 absolutely wonderful 3D models. And like I say, they're unusual in the print in place category because these animals don't usually get turned into those type of models, so it's kind of cool. Now at this point, if you're enjoying this kind of video, subscribe and like, and leave a comment. Comments are things right now that my channel does not get any of. So if you want to give me a comment down below to help this channel, I would love that. But yeah, these are free models. Go give them a go if you've got yourself a 3D printer. They are highly worth doing. And I'll catch you guys next time.